Welcome to Manhattan Motorcars. My name is Anissa Backus and this is the 2022 911 Carrera 4S. For this 4S, we chose 911 turbo wheels, 20-inch in the front, 21-inch in the rear. Adding contrast to the front, we have LED matrix headlights in black. Completing this bold look, we have a full SportDesign exterior. The front diffuser is in GT silver, side skirts as well, and rear fascia. Adding more contrast to the exterior, we have the Porsche logo and model designation in high gloss black. And to match the exterior, we have the rear grille painted in GT silver metallic. One of my favorite hidden details is the Porsche exclusive design fuel cap. This is our first 992 to feature a full exclusive Manufaktur interior. The first detail that catches your eye is the 930 interior leather package with quilting on the door panels and the seat centers. As you enter the vehicle, we have illuminated door sill guards in dark silver. Highlighting the steering wheel interior, we have deviated stitching in chalk. The two color choices that we've selected for this exclusive interior are Bordeaux red and chalk. Finishing the interior, we have a Racetex headliner. Thank you for stopping by and taking a look at the 992 Carrera 4S. My name is Anissa Backus and we hope to see you soon. Welcome back to our Porsche Center. This 992 was recently reserved and the client has opted for some genuine Techquipment accessories. Adding more color to the wheels, we have Porsche center caps painted, as well as decorative valve stem covers with our Porsche Crest. Adding a second set of floor mats was also a great selection. Here we have rubber floor mats for the inclement weather as well. With Porsche Techquipment, the possibilities are endless. Feel free to stop by to take a look at our wide range of Porsche accessories.